This is the updated version of the trading system that I've been talking about, and I already made £464 actually, and I'm going to attach that to, if you look here, the deposit was 1,000, and if I go down a bit further, as you can see, it's 1464. So I'm going to do a trade in a minute and show you how quickly it can generate a profit. Right, let me just pause it. Right, you should already know actually how I select my currency pairs, and I picked this currency pair, the Canadian and Swiss franc, so I'm just going to place one lot on it, and I'm using my 1, 2, 3 strategy. And if you have a look at the time, let me just zoom in. I'm not sure whether it can capture that or not. But it's 17:52, 16th of October. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll have a look at the. That will tell you the server's time. There we are. I'll go back there. Server's time is 19:53. It's minus $11. I'll pause it actually, and I'll show you when it makes a profit. Oh, I can see 2 greens here now, so I can place another order. There we go. Now, according to this indicator here, I've got 2 orders running. Now, I mentioned this before. This is a very good indicator. You know, it tells you what orders you've got actually that you've placed, but it does have a tendency to affect 1 or 2 of the indicators. But I still use it. It's very good. We're in the New York session here. Okay, right. Let's pause it. Oh, I've already actually checked the trend, you know, with the indicators that I've got, and obviously the pip. I'm sorry, the spread. I've checked the spread. I've checked all of them, and that one and that, as you can see here. What is it? Canadian? I've got Canadian 90, and the Swiss franc 37. I've checked that, and that is showing green. A good trend up. And as you can see, we're minus $3.56 now. Like I said, I placed 2 orders already. That's three pips. And I've got this here just to show me the Murray maths, if you like. And we're on a good range. That's the major support line, and that's the bottom trading area. You don't need to know this, but as long as you know it needs to be somewhere between 3/8 and 5/8. That's a good trading area. I've not actually put the fireball on yet, but the fireball line is important as well. But that's good enough anyway. I'm happy with that. Oh look, we made a one. We're already straight into profit already. I told you it'd be very quick. 10, 12, 14. I could leave this on going, but it's only a short video, okay? I'll tell you, I'll stop at 80 or 100 or something like that, okay? Pause it. Hang on a minute, I haven't showed you the time yet, have I? I'm not showing you the time. How quickly that was. Go back to... not that one, sorry. 1957. And whilst I'm talking to you, we're losing a little bit. That's the way it goes, actually. You know, you make the money, and then it drops a bit, and it goes back to it. You could go as far below as minus 1,000, okay? But if you're definite about your trend, like I'm definite about this trend, I don't mind go down to 1,000 because I know it will actually pick up. This is a strong uptrend. It's unlikely it's going to go below 1,000. I've not set the loss price. I've introduced this new expert here, which I find is very good. And I'm not going to go into detail with it. I'm just showing you that my method. Just showing you the method that I've got, the 1, 2, 3 system, and it works. So I'll come back to that. I have just placed another order because my system has told me to put another order on. Actually, I should have put three on. Should put 3 here, but you can do it like that: 1, 1, 1, or 1, 2, 3. But I should have actually put 3 on here. But it doesn't matter. But I've got 3 lots. The system told me to put another lot on, so I've done so. The thing is also is that I've changed some of the indicators and move it around. It's just so that it's less clutter. But the previous videos and the previous demonstrations are important that you should learn the indicators anyway. But once you get more experienced in analysing the indicators and my system, if you like, then using this new updated template is excellent for you because there's less clutter. Okay. Now, because I put that extra lot on, it was actually minus. Now it's picked back up again straight away. Yeah. Straight away it's making a profit. Right. Oh, let's give you another time check. There we go. 20:01. Alright, I'll just pause it. I'm going to wait till it generates at least 50 pounds, okay? At least 50. And then I'll close this down. Like I said, I normally sort of wait till it gets to about maybe £100 actually, but just for the sake of this short demonstration, I'm going to stop at 50 or thereabout anyway. Oh, I did actually forget to change the heat map on here, and it doesn't matter because I was trading a Swiss franc anyway, so it doesn't matter, you know, whether you're trading other currencies. The Swiss franc will remain the same throughout, you know, the other currencies as well. So it wasn't dramatically giving me false signals, but I'm so skillful that I don't need it, to be quite honest. You know what I mean? I just don't need it. Alright, we're 16 pounds. It was a bit more, wasn't it? About 30, wasn't it? Let's have a look at the time again. Only 6 minutes ago since we last checked. And it's still good. All the trend signals are looking good. Excellent. Very good. The volatility here is 28%. It's not bad. I think anything round about over 15 or above is excellent. But when it gets to about 2, then it's going to be a very slow trade. If the trade is quite volatile, like it is, in this trade, it's 28, which is quite a good volatility. That means the currency is quite active, and if it's active, then you get people buying and selling, so the currency moves quite rapidly. It's 32 now. That's not bad for a half an hour's work, is it? £32. I think it's less than half an hour. And I don't want to take too long over this because I just wanted to show you a short video, and I'm not going to edit it, by the way. It's going to be exactly as it is, so that you know that it's not been tinkered with. This is the problem. People these days tend to manipulate things. Let me just drag this. Oh, I can't drag it. I used to be able to. Oh, there we are. So you can have a look at the time. That's how long I've been recording. 11 minutes. And whilst I'm talking to you, I'm losing that £10. But I'm not worried. I'm just going to pause it and come back. Okay, I'm going to stop it here now. Actually, like I said, it's only meant to be a short demonstration. Not that, you see, if I claimed it would have been nearly 40 pounds. But I'm talking to you, and so it's only just a short video. You can see that I could have claimed that, couldn't I? The system works, and how much convincing do you need? All right, so it's going down now. All right, I'll just stay on for a little while until it get back to that 30 or 40 pounds. All right, where's my pause? Right, we've been recording now for 12 minutes. Right, it's going back to 27 now. And oh, by the way, if you say to me that my trading system don't work, the one that I've got off you don't work. Well, why doesn't it work? That's what I want to know. Why? It's working for me, as you can see. So if you say it doesn't work, I'm going to send you this video. It's working for me. So to be a bit aggressive. But anyway, it's experience. You need to practice. That's the main thing. Okay, that's the crux of the matter. Right. Pause it and come back. 13 minutes now we've been trading. And as you can see, as I'm talking, it's gone to minus. But as you know, I would have made that money anyway, because I was just simply talking to you. Yeah, as you can see, the volatility here has gone down to 27, so it's slowing down a bit. Okay, it's because of the time factor. Okay, it's in the evening now for me, and it's a New York session, so that the New York session is continuing till about 9 o'clock in the evening, and that's when the Sydney session starts. And I don't want to be in the Sydney session, not at the very start of it, because it's a terrible amount of spreads that you got to bear. It's a right burden. And as you can see, I'm still in profit. I'm still in profit. So if you're not making, see, you're making a profit now. I proved it. Even that's profit. Yeah. Well, that isn't. So you can't tell me that it doesn't work. There's something that if you say it's not working for you, there's something you're doing that's not right. Just pause that. 15 minutes into the recording. This is another currency pair that I'm doing. Right, $15 or £15. Right, just close that over here. Made an easy $15 or 15 quid. And let's go back to what I was doing before. As you can see, we're minus now, minus 20. But I'm not worried because all the signals are good. This blue line here is the price line, the open price line. That's gone above it. That's one thing I didn't get. I'm not here. Actually, this video is not to show you how to use the system. It's just to show you that it does work. So I'm not going to go into that. The other videos will show you precisely how I trade. And let's have a look at the time. So it's 19 minutes. I think we've been sort of doing this for about half an hour now. And let's have a look at the recording. 16 minutes recording. Right, so I'll come back to it once we make a good amount of profit like the other one. Well, it's making profit, isn't it? You know, I mean, the thing is that I'm trying to show you it's making profit. It's not a question, of question. That it's gone down to minus 32, but it will pick up, or 39. It will pick up. And if you remember, I could have claimed it. I could have claimed the profit ages ago. About £40 it was, wasn't it? So I'm not worried about that, even though I forget to claim it. So that will go back to a positive very shortly. Let me just pause it. As you can see, I'm still glancing at the screen. Right, it's minus 17 now. As you can see, the volatility has gone down, slowing down. So that's why it's taking a while for it to reach a profit. Like I told you earlier. And what's the service time now? So 20:29. So it's about 30 minutes ago. That since we last checked, I forget what it was before, 19 something anyway, without going back to check on the video. I've got 3 lots ready, by the way, in case I need to apply that if my system tells me to place it. The pips is minus 2.6, well it was minus 1.7. And as you can see, that's it shot back up to 31. Right, I've got to carry on with that. Gone to 7 now. Oh, we're in profit. We're in the money. Oh, sorry, I should have shown you actually, because these are all proof. 2031. £11. I'm aiming for round about 50. It's 6:30 now here, and I don't like it because we're approaching the end. Well, not really approaching the end of the New York session yet, but it's getting near, and the market, if you like, is slowing down. Okay, so that's another thing that you need to bear in mind. the market is slowing down. As you can see, it's 27 now on the volatility indicator there. It was 29. All the signal strength are good. I forgot to mention. All the signal strength are good. They're very good, actually. Very, very good. And it's approaching that major support line. And once it sort of gets in there, right into that area support top, yeah, this is the top trading area. Once they get in there, it's sort of trapped in there. You know, it's not that it's not. Well, it's very difficult for it to get back down again, so to speak. That is like the trap area. You know, when it gets over here, then you can expect reversal situation happening. I'm not supposed to be talking about about that. I'm trying to show you that it makes profit, my system. And I want to know why. If you're not making any money, I want to know why. Even 89p, if you like, is money that you're in profit. £6 now. What I'm trying to say is my system will make you a profit, and 89p is a profit. Right, I'm just going to pause that for a bit until it makes a little bit more. But like I said, I don't like it now because it's getting towards the end of the New York session. When I say getting towards the end, you know, we're talking still about a couple of hours yet. But that's enough of people leaving the market, you know what I mean? They're going home for their tea and so on and so forth. And I don't want to make this video any longer. It's 22 minutes now, the video. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Look, I'm going to close that down. As you can see, I'm making a profit. There you go. 19. We made £19. So, anyway, I hope you've sort of enjoyed this very, very short session to show you that my system does work. And that if you say to me that it's not working for you, you know, I want to know why. Are you not studying? You're not studying my videos or my ebooks correctly, or what? I don't know what it is. All right. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me in this session, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, I thought I'll just do a little bit more adding to that video. I noticed that the mortality has gone up, so I thought I'll just do a little small clip to add to it. I mean, we made £19, but my intention was to make at least 100. Let's give you the time check. $21.34. Let's have a look at the date, just to prove to you we're still carrying on with it. There you go. Right, we're just losing a bit now at this time, 14. But I put 2 lots on this time because I want to. Sorry. Because I want to make this I want to make this money quick. I don't want to be hanging around. So I'm not going to edit this video, by the way, so you'll get my coughing as well, because I don't want you to say, oh, you know, he's edited it out, or, you know, that he's losing his add bits to it. No, I don't do that. Okay, I only edit it out because I'm coughing and spluttering. Oh dear! But I'm not going to edit it. I've told you on the other part of the video that I'm not going to edit it. Right. Yes, it's looking good. All right, so I'll come back to that. Right, we're back again, and we're into profit now. The volatile has gone up to nearly 35, so it's good actually. I thought I'll just extend the video, and let's have a look. The time is now 22:01, and as you can see here, it's the same, exactly the same situation, same thing. Oh, we're going back to negative now. But let's have a look at the terminal. That's the order that I placed. So these are the orders that I placed here. I've set a stop loss and a take profit. Account history, and that was the last balance, 14.83. We lost £3.56 on closing down the earlier one, but we made a profit of $19, if I remember correctly without looking back. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm not. I didn't actually show you the balance. Just to make sure that you know it's the same, right? That's the closing balance, and that was the opening balance. Okay. So you know that it's the same, exactly the same account. We've gone back into profit again. So if you like, this is the second attempt that I'm trying to show you. That successful attempts, by the way. Okay, this is my second successful attempt to show you that my system works. And if you say to me it doesn't work with me, well, I don't know what you're doing. You know, I don't know what you're doing wrong. I make a claim that now, £33. So that's not bad for a half an hour's work, is it? £33 an hour. Anyway, I tell you what, I'm going to stick at it until it reach 100. Or around, you know, maybe 80 or 90, that's my aim. Normally, like, it's 100. Okay, I'm going to stick at it, even though it's getting close to the Sydney session, which I don't particularly like. £40 nearly. Oh, I've reached my 100. I'm not even turned my TV off. There you go. Oh, it was even more. There you go, my friends. I've made my 100 as I promised earlier. So there you go. Let's have a quick nosy now to see what the balance is. Let's have a look. Terminal. And let me just open this up a bit. I've still got the TV on actually. Let me just open this up a bit. I hope you're not getting distracted. Zoom in. There we go, 89 or 88 plus that one there. That was that, if you remember, that was the loss earlier that I showed you. So 89 plus 39. Sorry, 88 plus 39. And obviously the 20 that we made, or £19 that we made earlier. So if you're good at maths, you know it's over 100, isn't it, eh? Right, okay, so there we are. Let's have a look at the balance now. It's 1,600. I made £600 from the time that the £1,000 was deposited up here at the top. There we go. I don't know what more proof that you want, and you know, that's all I can say to end the video. So once again, thank you very much. Although I didn't actually extend that video earlier because I only wanted to make it short, you know, not really long. You know, what time is it now on this one? It's 22:10. Okay. And let me just close that down, just to prove it's all part of the same video. 16th of October 2010, because the broker is 2 hours ahead. Okay. Right, thank you once again for joining me in this last bit of the video.